everyone, it's Kaylin and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to defer your mortgage payment if you were affected by the coronavirus. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So if the loan is federally backed, you can approach your bank and ask for some help. If the loan is on your primary residence, there's a good chance it's a federally backed conventional loan. If it's an investment property, depending on who you bank with, where you get your loans, it may not be federally backed, but doesn't hurt to ask. So how do you do this? Well, simply you just call them. Right now you can't go into banks and you're going to be on hold a long time, but it's really important that you call them, wait, and let them know you're experiencing a hardship and would like to defer your mortgage if possible. So what does it mean when you defer your mortgage? It means the bank will add however many months of payments the bank has allowed you to skip to the end of the loan and split it up over the remainder of the loan. There's a couple of other programs I've seen some banks doing, but this seems to be the most common one. Let's give an example. Let's say you own a house and your mortgage payment is usually $1,500 a month. If you're able to defer your monthly payment in May, it means you'll have no payment to make. So let's say you have 10 years left on your loan. 10 years means 120 months left on your loan. So if you take that $1,500 you didn't pay in May and divide it by 120, you get a whopping $12.50. Now moving forward, add that $12.50 to your usual payment of $1,500, and for the remaining 10 years of your loan, your payment will be $1,512.50. I have friends who received up to 3 months deferred. We personally on our investments got 2 months, and I've even read in some articles that banks are giving up to 12 months based on your situation. Like I said before, there are other measures the bank can ask you to take before, such as possibly refining your loan. You might be asking, okay, so this sounds like something that might be beneficial to me. Now what documents do I need? Every bank is going to be a little different, but they're going to want proof that you've lost some wages or haven't made as much income because of the coronavirus. They may ask you for your last 2 months of pay stubs, a letter from your employer, and even proof that you filed for unemployment. Each bank is different and you're going to be on hold for a long time, so try and do some research before on what your bank is going to ask you so you're prepared when you're able to get with them on the phone. So who qualifies for this? It's really unsure until you call your bank. These things happen in certain situations like natural disasters, emergency financial situations, but it can't hurt to just call and ask. And just an FYI, for every investor I've talked to over the past 2 weeks, every single one of them has been able to defer their mortgage payments for at least a month or two. And if you own a short-term rental business such as Airbnb or have a vacation home, you were probably hit the hardest. I recommend calling the bank. We work with some people who manage up to 30 Airbnbs and they were able to call the bank and get some help on their mortgages as well this month. The last question you're probably asking is, will this affect my credit score? And just so you're aware, Freddie Mac has told mortgage companies not to report to credit bureaus in this situation. But again, there are so many unknowns, so you really just want to be careful and take in as much information as you can and make sure you're communicating with your bank. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'd be curious to see if you guys have any other solutions that you're taking in order to pay your mortgage or pay for investment properties. Thanks for watching and see you soon.